family called Lithornithidae. This family groups together different species, including the common ancestor of all ratites, a small animal that lived in the shadow of the giants.
We think that these early ratites probably would have been
Paradoxically, most Lithornithidae lived in the northern hemisphere, while their descendants now
They happen to just be in the right place at the right time when the dinosaurs became extinct.